Hey everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to remove the stick shift off of your Muncie SM465 4-speed transmission. So what we're going to do first is you're going to locate this clip here, this little half circle piece, and you're going to want to push that down and then rotate the whole assembly a little bit, like a quarter turn to the left. And then you'll be able to pull up and your whole shaft should come out. So yours will probably be sticking out of the floor a little more than mine. But basically what you're going to do is you're coming in here, you're going to push down on this and twist it quarter to turn to the left, and it just comes out like that. So you can see these little J-hook holes there. Those line up with these two roll pins down in here. So just falls into place like that. Push down, twist, and it's back in. Back in neutral. Push down, twist, and it comes right out.